Mr. Speaker, I thank you, and I also must thank my neighbor, the Honorable Amos Mwago, for bringing this to Parliament. And maybe it would be informative for the chairperson of the Transport Committee to also do a search and spin and see the need is appreciated. The need for cameras and surveillance on our roads is more than appreciated. However, Mr. Speaker, if you travel on the roads in Kenya today, you are never able to tell where the speed limit zones are. There is never a sign that shows you that the 110 speed limit starts here and this is where it ends. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, there is technology available that can be utilized by NTSA to ensure that when a charge is made, it is not occasioned on the owner of the vehicle. It is actually a charge that is put on the driver who was driving at the moment when the offense was done. So, Mr. Speaker, I do believe there is space for the Transport Committee to go back and examine the matter that Honorable Mwago brought to us and find how the technology will also work with the real-life situation on the roads, and especially if they're digitizing the penalty system, that must also have real what you would call highway furniture, real road furniture, up to and including the traffic signs, Mr. Speaker. I do thank you.